Hello, my name is Stan Joseph. I'm the Vice President for Sales and Marketing for Bruder Healthcare. And I want to take a moment and tell you how excited we are to be a sponsor to this really unique program focused through the generations. It's kind of an interesting look at the four generations of practicing ophthalmologists in this country today. Four generations. And I'm fortunate enough to say that I've been part of that whole transition. I've gone through them, and the one thing it does do is make me look in the mirror and say, I'm getting old. But I've also had the excitement and the privilege of being part of that industry. I've lived through what I consider to be four major paradigm shifts within the industry that these four generations of ophthalmologists will be able to speak of. The first was, back when I got into the business, was the introduction of phacoemulsification and the advent of the foldable IOL, which completely changed cataract surgery forever. There next came refractive surgery, where the use of the excimer laser, and that made a paradigm shift to the eye care industry in the sense that patients suddenly became customers. My God, doctors were not only putting the latest equipment in their office, they were also looking to put Starbucks coffee machines in, all in an effort to cater to a paying customer. And then, of course, who can deny the incredible impact of microincisional surgery for glaucoma? And today, we are in the presence of yet another paradigm shift, which is the understanding of the importance of ocular surface health, not only in terms of the management of dry eye, MGD, blepharitis, and those, but also in the preparation of the patient for LASIK and cataract surgery. Because it's been, you can hardly open up a magazine today without some indication or some reference to the fact that of the importance of treating the ocular surface prior to surgery, to get better K readings, get better outcomes, and get happier patients. This program is unique in another way, and that is it's talking to the doctors about their lives, their experiences, not so much on which artificial tear they use or what, but on what does it mean to them to have gone through these transitions and fun stories, etc. And Bruder Healthcare is a perfect sponsor for this program. The Bruder Healthcare Company has been in business for over 35 years, and it entered the ophthalmic space 6 or 8 years ago, and in that short time has managed to create a brand of moist heat compress that has become truly the #1 doctor recommended moist heat compress in North America for the treatment of dry eye, MGD, blepharitis. And now Bruder has expanded that line. It's expanded its offering to include all of the areas of lid hygiene, wipes, hypochlorous sprays, and of course the foundational product, the mask. We've also altered and managed to differentiate our mask in several areas, developing one specifically designed for contact lens patients to increase comfort. And now lately, the newest thing we've introduced is a patient prep kit that patients can actually take home prior to cataract and refractive surgery. The kit is based on a foundational concept which allows each and every doctor to personalize the kit with the kinds of products that they would like to add to it, whether it be antibiotic drops or steroids or artificial tears or whatever. We're excited, and I hope you all will enjoy the program as much as I do. I think that that you've done an amazing job, and I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you so much.